Alright, here we go, guys. It's been a while since we messed with any chainsaws. The main reason for that is they fluctuate in price when you find them on Marketplace. This one, I actually contacted a guy a week and a half ago maybe, because he was nearby. He was actually right over by where I work at. And with us, you know, trying to make a meetup time and everything, it took like a week and a half. I thankfully held on to it for me because he had it dirt cheap. It was in the way, and it's one of those deals where his wife wanted him to get rid of it because he never used it for anything. He sold it dirt cheap just to get rid of it because he doesn't use it. And it's one of those deals where last time he used it, it ran, but he said he always ran the ethanol, you know, like you buy in a can. The 2-cycle mix is about like yay big, but ethanol free fuel is what he's always ran in it. It's a Poulan Pro. I have one real similar to this, but it's a Poulan Pro 42cc 18-inch bar. The model is PP4218AVX. I think the other one I have is the PP4218A. Looks real similar to it. This one hasn't had anything done to it. It's got the, I haven't tried to start it or anything, but it's got the usual muffler. You know, you can take that off and open it up some if you want to, and the back's the same way. You can put a couple extra holes in there to get a little bit more flow, or just notch it out like some people do. But let's see what she's got. It's got fuel. Smells a little funky, but doesn't smell terribly old, but definitely smells different. Let's see what we got for oil. It's a little less than half full. It's not all that dirty, so it must have been, you know, the primer's empty. Must have kept it inside. It is fairly clean. It's got the adjustable dial on it. You just flip that open. Get your switch down here, so you use to adjust the tension on your bar. I think it might have a little bit of an edge on it. Turns. It's got the kickback on it. So let's see if she primes up. So far, nothing. Well, she's not wanting to prime, so might have a line issue. Yep. Alright. I brought some stuff out. We'll see which one she takes. I can't see down in there. Let's see if we got one that'll fit it. Yep. We're going to apply T25. Yep. T25. Alright, so we'll get that out. Or off. We go find them. We'll go get the drill. Of course, the one thing I forgot to grab. Get the drill and we'll take the cover off and take a look at the lines. Now we got the top and the filter and everything out of the way, and to be honest with you, to me, all the lines appear to be hooked up, but I'm thinking, let's see if I can get a feel on one of them. I'm thinking, yeah, because they're not brittle. These lines are soft, but it almost looks like someone replaced the lines at some point and they're routed wrong. It almost looks like, because the camera's not good enough to get you guys down in there, but when you're priming it, it looks like it's going in the opposite direction. Instead of drawing the fuel up through the carburetor and cycling back into the tank, it looks like it's hooked up wrong, maybe on the primer or one of the lines going in the tank somewhere, and it's trying to prime in reverse. So we'll get this off, we'll take a look at it and see what we got here. Alright, so what we're going to do is take the side cover off to access the primer and see if that's the case. You really can't tell much with that, just the one piece of the carb loose. These should be a T25 also. Yep. So, give us a little bit better luck. See what we got going on here. Guess I could have tested it for fire, but kind of running short on time. There we go. There's our side cover. I mean, even in that cover, if you guys can see in there, I mean, it was taken care of. It's just a little bit of sawdust and bar oil in there. Other than that, it's really clean. Even the inside around the casing, flywheel, all that, it's still in really good shape. Yeah, so our primer doesn't appear to be broke. So if we can get, let's see, we can get it to pop out, check the lines. Some of these you can get lucky and pop them straight out. Hopefully this will be one of them. Let's see. Nope. Definitely not with that. We got beat flying around. Guys got a close-up. Alright, enough clowning around. Let's see what we got going on here. Gone. Okay. We need to get that loose. We got something we can stick down in there and try to pop her out without breaking something. Oh, this one's going to be stubborn. Stubborn. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, maybe they do got it hooked up right. Maybe this needed a knock in the right direction. She's starting to prime up now. Alright, let me throw this back together. At least this part, and I'll just leave the cover off and everything. We'll see if she'll fire up. Alright, let's give her a shot. The only thing I think of is the primer is maybe from where it was just been sitting so long and it was dry. No fluid in the line. Possibility, I reckon. We'll give her a shot here. We got a little bit of wind blowing, so have to excuse that. So, but we'll try. Let's see if she'll fire up. All right, should be on. Choke. Oh, we got choked. We also got fire, that's a plus. That looks like a brand new spark plug. She definitely got some compression. She's trying. Come on. Give her the beans. Up real quick. You can hear it there where it's tumbling. Well, she works. Definitely needs a edge put on the blade, but or on the chain, but she's working pretty good, man. It's unreal. Especially since he says it's been oh hell, I had to go back and look on Messenger. It's been a while since it's been running, but he bought it new. This is 2013 model. It runs good. 42cc, 16 or 18-inch bar. Throw an edge on it to make a good chainsaw. But quick video, I guess. I mean, it really doesn't need anything, just sharpen the chain. But surprise! Can't believe he let it go as cheap as he did, but he did. So this one I'll probably just leave alone. I don't think I'll mess with the muffler like I did the other ones, or the intake system on it and all that, and just have it laying around so my son needs it, he can use it. And still got to get the other ones listed online to sell. The other ones I have, I've never had time to do it. I got to get rid of them to make the money to fix these trucks. So yeah, vicious cycle, man, vicious cycle. But thanks for watching, guys. I think we got lucky on this one. And man, this thing will clean up nice. I don't know if I have any. Yep. Let's see. Bet that plastic clean up really nice, like. Oh yeah, it's like brand new. Thing clean up real nice. And you can tell, as good as the show, this thing's cleaning right up like brand new. Just goes to show what you can do when you take care of your stuff, you know. Take care of your tools, they'll take care of you. And even this, it's just a little bit of dust on it from sitting around. Cover comes out just like new. Just goes to show, man, take care of your tools. Take care of your tools, they'll take care of you. That'll wrap us up on this one. It's a good one, really do nothing, really. Adjusted the carburetor a little bit. The primer kind of had me worried. I thought they maybe changed the lines in it and had them routed wrong, but must just been where it's been setting dry so long. It took it a minute to suck it up. But that's it. I don't want to hold you guys up on this because we really do not but adjust the carburetor on it, and that's it. But thanks for watching. It's a win, I guess. And technically, well, the guy did, I can't say it win. The guy did say it ran. It's just been a long time since it's been started. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you at the next one. Alright, guys, one thing I did forget to add, jumped ahead of myself. Thank you so much for the subscribers. We're up to 589 subscribers. For a channel like ours that just like clowns around and just does stupid stuff, and because, you know, we don't necessarily dedicate our channel to, like, say, two-cycle items like chainsaw, weed eaters, lawnmowers. I mean, we, you know, mess with everything, you know, like the two-cycle stuff, lawnmowers, trucks, cars. We recently picked up a hobby of magnet fishing, so, you know, it's a little bit of everything there for everyone, or we try to, but so we're not like dedicated to one thing. So, but thank you so much. 589 subscribers. I didn't think that would ever happen, but thank you so much, man. That really makes a person feel great. And thanks for watching. And I wish this video could have been a little bit better, but thank you so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and we're still trying to get it to grow. So I mean, get a thumbs up and a share and subscribe, and thank you all so much. It really means a lot.